Guys, it's your boy Pokey Little here, back with another video. Went to Walmart this morning because my buddy told me they restart Saturday night, so Sunday morning is always the best time to go. Make sure to check out your local Walmart. There were 3 of these left and only 1 of these. Obviously I just bought 1 of each. Leave some for the next guy. We're gonna go ahead and start with this Charmander. Right here. We're gonna go ahead and start with this Charmander lunchbox. I thought it was pretty cool. This is what it is on the back, everything that comes in it, and we're going to start digging into it. Hopefully we pull a Charizard, and honestly it's cool that I was able to find this in the wild because I have yet to really find anything this big in the wild. We also went to a couple other card shops early this morning. Didn't really find anything, but we did find these, which is dope. It's always awesome to find something in the wild. Ooh, okay. Nice. Couple promos. Nice little coin, dope. Awesome. Set that right there. We get 6 packs out of here. Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, Paldea Evolved, another Paradox Rift. So awesome. What else do we get? We get a couple stickers, and then we get we get more stickers. Okay, so we get a sticker for every main Pokemon in here. Oh, dope! That's awesome. Like I said, little slate to put your Pokemon in. We'll set this aside, and we're gonna open up these packs. Just a little quick video, guys. Quick video for you guys today. Nothing too crazy. It's early in the morning. I'm still half asleep. Went to the Buc-ee's last night. You know what we do. Of course, buying Pokemon. And energy. Let's see what we can pull. Also stopped by 7 Brew this morning, got a coffee. Okay, cool. Just a little early morning, pick me up. Obviously we always save the Obsidian Flames for last. I know how we roll. Always trying to go for the Charizard. Opened up some Obsidian Flames last night. Did not pull a Charizard. Thank you all for watching my shorts that I have been posting. Y'all have been awesome with the support and the likes and everything. I just super thankful. Pulling it too fast. Subscribe, please. Make sure to subscribe. Like I said, I want to keep doing this for y'all and opening up Pokemon cards, but you know, it's hard, you know, because I really am putting all my all into these videos. Energy. So please like, subscribe, comment. You can tell me anything. You can call me whatever. Just interact with the video. I will like every comment, no matter what it says. Woo! Let's go. Dope. Dope. Let me get the sleeves out.
Getting her stretch on, baby.
First pull of the day.
What pack was that out of?
It was out of the Paldea Evolved. Awesome.
Boom! Headshot.
Pooh! First pull of the day, fellas.
A beauty.
Oh,
She's a 10.
beautiful card. Let's go. First pull of the day. And don't forget, we still got this Paldea Adventure chest open, which I've been looking for and I found it in the wild at Walmart. And when I tell you what, I was so surprised. Ran up in there and said, what? Jumped at the opportunity to buy it. Oh. No, dope. I like that. Come on, give me some. Oh, my gosh. Whoo. Whoa, 2 hits.
Bro, that is.
Oh, what? No freaking way. Are you kidding me, dude? Wow.
Rip it.
Dope, dope, dope. Oh my gosh. Shoo. Hey. Not over yet. Still going for the Charizard. Come on, let there be a Charizard here, but that's not last pack magic. So. Last pack magic. Hope y'all are also enjoying the 1 pack a day, every day for a whole year. Whew. Tell you what, I'm loving it. Just interacting with you guys, and it's awesome. I've gotten a lot of support since starting this, and I greatly appreciate it. I thought about hit again. Shoo! Awesome card. 3 hits, technically. I mean, it's awesome to pull good cards on camera, but we are still on the hunt for the Charizard. We do have the Charmander, but we are looking for the Charizard. So let's pull it right here. Oh, here's the Charmander. Okay, look, it may not be in here, and I may be overreacting, but we are gonna go slow for dramatic effect. Come on. Bang. This card's stuck together.
Oh! What?
It was stuck. It was stuck. Are you kidding me, dude?
Dude, that
Wow.
is a pretty blue.
God, it was stuck on the back of the card. I knew I was missing one, and I was like, wait. Oh my. 4 pulls out of that 110. Wow, that's awesome. That is freaking cool, dude. So this right here is out of the Charizard lunchbox that we had bought up there at Walmart this morning. Awesome pulls so far. 1, 2, 3, and an EX. Oh, wow. These are awesome. I cannot believe it. Oh, wow. All right, we're going to set these aside, and we are going to pull the something, hopefully, out of this Pikachu box. But like I said, here are the promo cards again. Let's get into the next box. I've been looking for this box. I have been wanting to buy it for a long time. Every time I look on Amazon, sometimes it's hard to go with those prices. I'm like, what? These are also at Buc-ee's if you can find them. I have yet to be lucky enough to find them, but I was lucky enough to find them at Walmart. Sorry, I got the hiccups. This is so freaking cool. Cannot believe I just pulled those 3 cards out of there for y'all. What is in here? Excited. Oh. Shoo. Okay. Okay. Open it. Open it. We're just going to take everything out, and I'm going to show y'all as I take everything out. Because I don't know, where are they?
What's it say at the top of it? Is it on the inside?
Gotta catch them all.
That's right.
But oh, okay. Here are the packs right here at the bottom. I was wondering where my packs were. I was like, where are the packs at? Did I just get robbed? But no, they are at the bottom. Make sure we got everything out of here. Got my stickers at the bottom if I can get them. We're going to set this box aside. You know what we got to do. Got to catch them all. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, obviously we got our packs. Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, Paldea Evolve, Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet Violet. Those right there. Obviously, the main reason why I wanted this because I wanted my little Pikachu. So that's cool. Got some stickers. Got our box. Oh, okay. These come with a promo. These are the promo cards. So awesome. Let's see. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And like I said, the main reason why I want this is for my Pikachus. I'm not gonna pop this. Not on camera. Oh, dope. All these are dope. But these are your promo cards you get out of the Paldea Adventure Chest box. Obviously, little book, you put your cards in. Okay. Oh, here's the other promo cards. Okay. There's 1. There's 2, and there's 3. Awesome. So we're gonna set all these aside right here. Let me put my Pikachu in the sleeve. I love this card. This is awesome. This is probably my favorite card I'll pull, and I know it's a promo, but this is my favorite card. We're going to set these to the side, and we're going to get to ripping some packs. Alright, Scarlet Violet. Obviously, that's going to be last. Alright, we're going to start with these, and then Scarlet Violet and Obsidian Flames will be last, though. Paradox Rift. I can open it. I have such a problem opening these packs sometimes, and it's... Oh. Alright, got it. Sorry. Technical difficulties. Alright. I hope nothing gets stuck again. That was crazy. Energy. Paldea Evolved. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. I'm down to open up anything if I can find it. I just need to know what you guys want to see. But I just enjoy opening packs, so. Come on, give me something. Awesome. I'm still... Sometimes you don't pull something good every single time, but when you get 3 hits in one box, come on, I'm going to keep it going. Makes for a good video. Water. Energy. Yeah. Scarlet Violet. These pots are on one of these. A white promo card. Rare candy. So far, no luck with these. But not over yet. Going for the Charizard. Come on now, please. If you notice, I didn't say last pack magic on the last, because this is going to be it. This is what we're going to pull. The good stuff, hopefully. Charmander. Oh, yeah. Charizard. Already pulled the Charmander. Nope. Nothing. Here we go, guys. Last pack magic. Ooh. I'll just put the Charizard in there. I feel it. And nothing. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next one.